Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use this LinkedIn to Airtable job scraper, which actually scrapes jobs from LinkedIn and then directly populates them in Airtable. And the Airtable is completely optional. You can just have the scrape jobs on the UI. So let me quickly go over how to set this up in Apify. And Apify is actually a platform where you can just run your code on an online server, and you don't need to do any configuration or maintain any resources as such. So I'll quickly show you how to do it. So in this, you can just click try for free, which will take you to the console over here. This is the Apify console, and it'll take you to the LinkedIn to Airtable job scrape. I mean, the first time you do it, it'll probably ask you to create a username and a separate account, and then you can directly start using the scraper. It's a free trial, and then for 3 days, and then you can start using it for $20 a month. I've already added some things here, so let me go over it. So we have the OpenAI API key and the Airtable API key. So these API keys are necessary so that number one, you can actually match your resume with the job description. It gives you a percentage score. And then for Airtable API key, to directly put the records in Airtable, and it kind of looks something like this. All right. So in order to get OpenAI API key, you have to go to platform.openai. In your account, you can go to platform.openai.com, and you can search for the API keys over here on the left side, and on the top right corner, just create new API key. So we'll just do just a test key, and then we're going to create API key, and it's going to copy that, come back over here, and you're going to press edit, just paste the API key. And in order to use the API key, you need to have a credit card on file. Just remember that. And for the Airtable API key, what you do is you go to the Airtable base that I'm going to share with you, and on the account you have to click Builder Hub, which will take you to the Builder Hub over here. You can create your personal access tokens. You create a new token over here, and just call it whatever you want to, and you need to give 4 scopes. The first one is data records read, data records write, and then you need to read the schema basis read and schema basis write. And add a base. The base will be LinkedIn Jobs 2025, and then create a token, you copy it, you go back to Apify, and then you press edit, and you paste the Airtable API key. And it's not done while we are on Airtable. Let's do one more thing. If you scroll down here, you need to pass a base ID, the jobs table ID, and company table ID. This is because we are also deduplicating the jobs in this table, so we gotta make sure we do that. So this is the base that I'm going to copy over here, and the next part is going to be the jobs table. And if you click on companies over here, you can get the table again from here. So go back and Airtable company table ID, and you're going to click enable Airtable processing. And the rest of the things I have filled over here. You can fill your job titles, query. Okay, let's just search for product manager or product analyst over here. And then the job type, work type, you can actually give whatever parameters you want. And the cities, if you want to search in a specific city, you can also do that. And the maximum jobs is how many jobs you want to actually get back. And depending on how many, you can also give 100, 200, how much ever you want. All right, let's keep going. The resume text, yes, I'm going to put just a random resume text. We're searching for product manager, product analyst. So I'm just going to put just a random product analyst manager profile. And yeah, so include additional job search criteria. You can put whatever you want in here. Whatever you put in here actually gets factored into the match percentage as well. And let's save and start. So it's gonna give you log, and so table processing is enabled. So we put 2 jobs, so it's supposed to give us 2 jobs. So you see the skip job over here. The reason is because we actually excluded some industries and some titles. That's why this happens. Yeah, the log is still going on. So yes, it found 1 job, so it's supposed to find 2 of them. Sometimes it finds 2, sometimes it just finds 1. Just depends on what is available, depends on your search criteria. Yeah, so it got 2 results, and then it succeeded. That's great. That's amazing. So you can either just view it on the UI, or if you wanted Airtable processing, like I said, you can switch this on and off. So since we enabled Airtable processing, these jobs also went into Airtable, and I'm going to quickly show you that. So this is the job title, BI product owner retail experience, and I'm going to go here to jobs, and I'm going to search for it. filter by this field. I'm going to do that. So yes, so it did make it, and it gave a 65% candidate fit. If you want to see the reasoning behind this, you can also see the reasoning. Okay, what are the positives and what are the negatives, and based on this, it has given a 65% score. And this is really useful so that you apply only to jobs which have a higher candidate fit percentage, or you are still going to apply to the ones which are 65%, but it just depends on the priority, right? You want to apply for jobs which have like a higher, which are a higher priority and higher candidate fit. So I'm going to take this off. You can see it has a nice view, 85%, 78.5. So these are the 85% jobs. Like these are the jobs which are really good for you, and you apply for that. And there are other sections also you can check out, which are remote jobs, hybrid jobs. These are basically just different filters that you can put on top for all the other jobs. And yeah, that's actually pretty much how you build this scraper, and it keeps updating. You can run it on demand, or you can actually create a task. So if you see on the right side over here, you can actually create a task, and you can say, hey, I want just remote jobs, and then you press continue, and then it gives you the same input. You can actually change the input. If you want just a part-time and contract jobs, you can actually do that. And if you can actually save it, and you can not only save it, but also you can run it on a schedule. So over here you can schedule it, and remote jobs schedule, and you can say, okay, every day, or every hour. You can do a custom every 3 hours. You can just create it. And just remember that if you do it every 3 hours, you need to change the job posting age as well, because every 3 hours it's going to scrape like jobs which are posted in the last 24 hours. That doesn't make sense. So you need to change that to 3 as well. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, just ask me, or you can directly go ahead and play with it. Thank you.